everyone! So, you might find me in the video. If you do, you're a great viewer. But if you don't, watch it again and make sure to subscribe. See you later. Hey everyone! So, I'm here for a playdate and we're going to be doing keep or switch fidgets. But before we get started, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you don't miss out any of our videos. So that's the amount of the video. Let's get started. BTW, by the way, if you don't know where Monty is, she's holding the camera. Hi! So, Monty will be putting good fidgets and bad fidgets. Basically, homemade fidgets and real fidgets. And you basically have to get the most real fidgets in 10 rounds. Whoever gets more real fidgets gets a prize.
And stay tuned for the prize.
And spot the narwhal. Let's get started. So we're going to be going into the bathroom and Monty will be showing you guys what she's putting in the flower pots.
Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna keep a good and a bad fidget. So first, I'm gonna be keeping a good fidget, which is this monkey noodle under this one. Okay, sorry you guys, but okay, I'm gonna keep it under here. I'm just gonna swirl it around and place it under here. Next off for this one, oops, gotta put this back, or otherwise they'll see. Okay, I'm gonna keep a bad fidget and probably keep this fail mini poppet. It's a fail. Gonna keep it under this one. Don't come yet.
Are you done yet?
Almost. Okay, I'm ready. You guys, you can come out now. You can come out now.
Okay, so we're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who is going to keep or switch. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay.
Do you want to keep or do you want to switch?
I'm just going to smell it.
Huh?
Can I touch it?
Nope.
Switch.
Oh, no, how about you guys switch? You guys switch spots, because that's, like, easier and you won't know.
All right, okay, 3. Oh, this thing in. 3, 2. No! This is horrible.
I told the viewers that it was a fail, because it is.
All right, so 1 point for me. I'll put it on the whiteboard. That 1 point is for me. So we're going back into the bathroom. And I just kept this tally for myself.
H and K. 1 for her.
Okay.
Okay, so they might not know if I keep... Okay, so the good fidget is in this one. So they probably might think the good fidget is in this one. So, but I'm going to keep the good fidget in this again, so they won't know. Let's pick a good fidget. Ooh. I'm going to try to fit the strawberry poppet in. Okay, so let's try to... Okay, let's just... I'll see you guys when I try to figure it out. Okay, so you guys, the poppet won't fit. So I'm going to do a better one. And I'm going to keep this color, or pink to purple color changing needle. I did the same one. Okay. Let me just, I don't want to get it dirty, so let me just keep a little paper under it. Like this. Okay, let's try to... It's so hard. They're chatting away. Okay, so... Oh, I put the monkey noodle back. That's fancy. Okay. Under the other one, I'm going to keep this fail slime. Let me just Put it a little closer. Okay, I'm ready. Come out!
Did you hear what we were saying?
I don't know. I didn't pay attention.
Okay. Oh, I'm gonna stay here. Wait. I want to keep.
Okay, do you want to keep Keiyona?
Yeah. Wait, actually, I want to switch. Which one? I want to.
Wait, you touched it, so that's against the rules. You're keeping what you have.
Oh, I got a needle.
I kept a paper under it so it wouldn't get dirty.
I got the needle. I got a needle. I'm gonna
Dun,
make this.
dun, dun, dun.
Well, where's my map? I got the needle.
I wanted to switch! Well, you touched it, so that's against the rules.
I got the needle. I want to do a victory dance. Okay, I'm done. So we're gonna go back into the bathroom. I'm gonna bring my needle because it's not entertaining.
Okay, so you guys, I asked Keiyona, if her poppet wouldn't, okay, so I told Keiyona that I was gonna keep her poppet, and it wouldn't fit, but she said I could bend it, so I'm gonna bend this, and I'm also gonna keep another poppet, just for like a little fun round, so yeah, it's gonna be a fun round. Okay, so they both get something good. So let's just bend this. Let's bend and keep this in. Let's turn it around, and let's bend and keep this in, and turn it around. Oh. Come on, fit. You might see from under here that it's a bit pink. So, sorry if I had to keep the camera down. Okay, this is the best I could do. Okay. Let's keep this a bit more. Okay, that's good. You can come out now. You can come out now.
Alright, Keiyona's turn. Okay.
Don't touch it.
Okay, I think I'm gonna keep.
Okay, what do you think? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, what?
It's a fun round.
Ooh, yay! I got a strawberry pop. Who gets the point? Me, because it's bigger.
Now you both get a point. It's a fun round.
Okay,
So,
I'm gonna bring my poppet in. You can stay here. All right.
2 points. 1, 2.
This is my poppet. Yeah.
I looked.
Okay.
So in you go. So I'm not going to film the next one. You guys have to try and guess which the good one is it. Okay, so but before we start, let's give the viewers a minute to think. Where is the good one? Because I didn't show the viewers where I put the good one and the bad one.
Ooh.
Okay, now you can choose.
It's my turn. I want.
No, didn't you just go?
No, I think I'm on.
Okay.
Alright, I want to.
You can do anything with it.
Wait, where is it? Okay, I want to keep. 3, 2, 1. What?
The Marble and Mesh is a good one.
Ah.
Because that one's a bit hard too. Or easy, but.
I knew it. I knew it.
And sorry if there's any background noise.
I didn't knew it. I did not know. Well.
She's a bit sus.
I did not cheat. You cheated right now.
How would I cheat?
Alright, Keiyona. I gave a point for Keiyona. Woo! And I did not.
So you guys, I didn't show you what is in there just to save time. So, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to trick you guys.
So which one is good?
Hansi's.
Yeah.
So probably you'll sit up. Probably, I thought it was Hansi's turn actually. So then she'll be like, she can't put it in mine again. So then probably she must have put it in Keiona's. And then Keiyona would get the good one.
Well,
I'm up against you, Hansi. I'm against you.
this donut's because he's actually kind of good. I like it.
There's a rip in it.
Still, it's a half of the donut. No, Alright, back into the room. Yes. I wasn't doing nothing. You are seeing things. I was not peeking.
She peeked like 3 times.
No, I didn't. You're in a dream. Alright.
Okay, so it's Hansi's turn. Do you want to keep or switch? Nope.
I want to switch. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Wait. Did I really have fidgets? Are you serious?
Oh, what?
Yay! Everybody, Machi's trying to sabotage. So I got 1, 2.
I'm trying to sabotage Hansi
Do
here.
I have to get 4 points?
No, you get 1 point, but you get 4 fidgets.
Who's in the lead? Oh, Jesus. I'm so sad. You can play with 1 monkey noodle. Alright, try to take it out! Well, what do you mean I won? Hey!
Fighting. Oh yeah, and you guys make sure to check out our YouTube shorts because they are so cool.
And we'll keep the name of Keiona's channel in the description box. And also make sure to check out my shorts too. Yeah, and subscribe to her channel. Okay, fine. We'll give you. I'm not giving you nothing. All right, it's Keiona's turn. I wasn't cheating. Time she was. Excuse me. I think I'm gonna switch. Yeah. I bet I got the good one. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Did I get a good one? She had 2 pockets.
You got 4 monkey noodles.
I guess. I got 2 pockets. Wait, is this a good one or is that a carrot? That's a carrot. Okay, I'm gonna bring all my fidgets.
Dun.
Not
And
that.
Hansi's.
Okay. This is
Okay.
the biggest time.
Yeah, I've been doing it like 2 seconds. Okay.
Okay. It's my turn, and I want to. Wait, is this is the 1, 2, 3, 4.
Count the tallies up there.
Okay. This is the 8th round?
7th round.
So I want to switch.
Okay, so you guys, before you do that, if you want to see what happens in there, stay tuned for part 2. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
See you in part 2.